Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python using MTCNN. We have gone through many videos on face recognition and face detection using deepface library, using fear library, using DLIB library and many more. Today we have seen few videos on MTCNN such as face detection and face recognition using MTCNN, then face recognition using MTCNN in really different style, then attendance system using MTCNN, and face recognition with MTCNN and SVM support vector machine. Today's video is really creative and interesting. It will take lot of time. It will take a lot of time to detect the face. We are doing face verification using MTCNN. So first of all, we will go through the initial part of the program. In database directory, I have one image of mine. Yes, and in SSM directory, I have training images, 10 training images. Okay, fine. Now I will execute the program. We need to do face verification. First of all, I will do this command. Now, face verification, it will take some time, little bit more time than face recognition. So it will be start now. Yes, detected. Yes, with landmark. Yes, with landmark. Fine. Yes, okay, fine. Yes. Very fine. So face verification has been done a little bit easy manner. Yes, I have been struggling lot for this video. So it will go on. Yes. Fine. Eyes and nose and this thing, everything in a landmark, using landmark detected. Okay, fine. Okay. So I successfully done with face verification and face recognition using MTCNN. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN, attendance system, then SVM, then FaceNet. If possible, I will try to focus on FaceNet, and many interesting videos on machine learning using Python. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.